We are pleased to show you the 2019 Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they are supposed to. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, Bluetooth, security system, low tire pressure warning. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.